Augmented virtual teleportation system is a type of XR system that the local user uses augmented reality to see a representation of the remote user, and the remote user uses virtual reality to see the local space and local user. AVT systems serves for hypermeetings and brings remote users to the local space with the local user, which is useful in scenarios like remote surgery, room curation, remote instruction. We identified two directions that AVT system could improve. 1. Agency. One challenge of AVT system is to increase the remote user's agency in the local space. The local user can easily access objects in the environment, but the remote user can't. This introduces asymmetries and may hinder the collaboration. We identify the user's agency in the local space as 3 levels. First, seeing the local space and being able to refer to things in the local space. Second, spawning or editing virtual objects in the space, for example, 3D models, annotations. Current AVT systems mainly consider these 2 levels of agency, but seldom consider to provide the 3rd level of agency, accessing physical objects in the local space, for example, operating machines or move objects. Second direction to improve is from imitating reality to creating magic. Previous explorations of AVT have made great strides in imitating the experience of face-to-face presence, but not yet to surpass it. However, telepresence technology should not merely imitate reality, but should leverage its advantage and create experience that can't achieve in reality. The significant feature of AR/VR as a media is to create magic in space, to create XR experience that does not exist in real-life communication. For example, bringing imaginary effects or characters to reality. We propose XRmas, a prototype that allows a remote user to have multiple agency in the local space, including spawning virtual objects that understand the local environment and accessing physical objects in the room. In the Christmas context, XRmas enables the remote user with magic power to share gifts, decorating the room, and light up the Christmas tree in the local room. From the preliminary user trial, we found although the experience was still hampered by slight asymmetries, XRmas increased the feeling of agency and belongings of the remote user, and the magical experience made the activity more memorable.